Hello artists, it's Becky from What Becky Did Last Night, and I've got another mixed media or colouring mixed media challenge for you this month, and it is going to be one of my favourite themes. So let's take a look. And this month it is, ta-da! Out of this world. Okay, so create a space themed piece using a mix of media. Think galaxies, planets, and stars with various materials like metallics, markers, whatever you want. Just put it all together. And I've got a couple of projects that I've done on theme. First of all, oh, no, I got to close this. Look at me, I'm so tech. Whoop. There we go. Okay, so here we go. So I've made my Light Wish calendar for this month, and I've done some foiling and, nice. There's some sparkles in the back there. So there'll be a video up for this. And also later in the month, I did finally finish a bigger piece I was working on. Oh, this one. So I will try and get a time lapse up of how I did my Stargate lady, which I'm very pleased about how she turned out. And if you'd like to play along, then all you have to do is follow the instructions down in the description below. And here's how you can play along if you would like to have a shout out at the end of the month in next month's video. So you can either upload your photo to the Facebook group. There'll be a photo album in there, but if you can't find the photo album, just pop it in that Facebook group and I will find it anyway. And on Instagram, you can upload your picture to Instagram, tag me on Instagram with What Becky Did Last Night. And if you could use the hashtag What Becky Challenge and hashtag What Becky Challenge June 2025, then I will be able to find it. So it needs to just be an original artwork or a coloring page. It must have combined 2 or more different mediums and be inspired by the prompt of the month. I'll need to be able to find it by the last day of this month at 6 p.m. PST, and then I'll be able to include that. Let me know if you have any questions, and I can't wait to see your artwork soon.